Hi guys, today for you I have a milkshake type drink with Minions, and it's going to be in banana flavored. These are the cups you can collect. Here are the instructions. So it looks like you'll be getting a cup, a lid, a packet, a straw, and extra you're going to be needing is milk and one ice cube. So let's open this up. Let's see what cup I get. Ooh, mine says Team Minion. That was a small cup. Yeah, it looks like it has Kevin and maybe Bob or Stuart holding hands. So you get your lid, your drink mix. Oh. And stuck inside is my straw. So you're going to fill your milk up to this star right here. I don't know if you can see it. That's what our step 1 is. Oops. Oh, shoot. Hold on one sec. I am making a mess. I should have gotten like a pouring thing. Let's try this again. Pour a little back because I think I have a little too much. Alright, so let me still clean up my milk here. Alright, so the next step is to take your ice cube and your drink mix inside here. Yep, it has a banana flavor thing to it. And now your ice cube. My ice cube might be too big. And then you are going to shake for 30 seconds. Alright. And then you are going to put your straw in and enjoy. I'm having a minor difficulty in getting this in here. Okay. And that's all it is to our DIY Minions. So indeed, it does taste like a banana milkshake. If you like the sweet flavor of banana and milk, then you will like this Minions banana shake. Like, comment, subscribe, and